LCD replacement on Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop. Thank you, Sir Larkia, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The customer's decision to replace the cracked LCD is a highly practical and cost-effective approach, especially when considering the alternatives. By opting for a replacement instead of purchasing a completely new device, they not only save a significant amount of money, but also extend the overall lifespan of the device. Cracked screens can lead to further issues, such as internal damage or functionality loss. So addressing the problem promptly through replacement prevents these complications. This solution allows the customer to regain full use of their device, restoring its display quality and functionality, ensuring that they don't experience unnecessary downtime or disruptions in their workflow. Overall, replacing the cracked LCD is an excellent decision that balances both cost efficiency and sustainability while ensuring the customer's continued productivity. However, at PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering an LCD replacement service for laptops that stands out for its exceptional professionalism and trustworthiness. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians is equipped with the latest tools and advanced techniques to deliver a thorough and meticulous repair. We understand the importance of maintaining your laptop's performance and longevity, which is why we ensure every aspect of the process is handled with the utmost care and precision. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.